those planes that we waited for. Maybe she's in Portugal, maybe she's
in Newcastle, wherever she is, the others possibly doesn't want to be with us. I should never have listened. What's that called again? That long fin tail shot. Right. That nice coloured one.
You wanted it to be true, as did I.
Of what?
That bright orange one. This down here at the bottom.
Of Sawfin.
Sawfin. I want to get toward them.
Yeah, I like them.
Family wanted this shroud, tired old fellow who looks as though he's gone past us, so why don't you?
No. You stood by me and that means a lot.
He's got a little lump. Of course, let's go.
Was
With the lump he got hold of us.
I don't feel capable of running anything.
the plaque.
Right, come on.
One time that these two go mental.
Plaque. Oh yeah, get down at the bottom here, look. It's massive.
We understand the kind of worries the farming community might have. We're going to do everything we can to address those concerns. But there is another aspect of it.
There's more on it now.
It's going to bring in a lot of new jobs, a lot of opportunity.
Exactly, come on guys, this is good news for the village. Not when you consider the kind of people it might
Well, it gives me a
attract.
second as well.
Don't want the villagers
Give me 20 minutes. 24, 23.
Well, we're going to have security to deal with that.
Well, so far maybe, but we need it down here too.
I'm sure we can arrange something. Look, this festival's about people enjoying themselves. So, then we'll all be giving out free tickets around the village so we can all join in the fun. So which one do I do?
I'm sure I didn't cope with
Right now,
Cheer up, boy.
I was going to call her. I know, I've just come off the phone to her. I knew she would have been thumbs up. Right, come towards the back.
Free drinks, free tickets.
You never got to speculate. And right now it's just people out there. I'm afraid it's bad news.
Can't get all the
Ill?
boat in it as well. It's
An
got a
accident?
shotgun.
No, nothing like that.
She's not coming back, is she?
Look at them going mad in the corner. They're all on their own little freaking frenzy.
She wouldn't do that much, would she? I'm sure she does, in her own way. But that's mostly...
Yeah, next lot I might just let the babies in
We're
the
supposed
tank
to
now.
know each other.
Might, because she's
But
just
she's
about to
been
drop, I
left
might
me
just
down
let her
all
have
her
hers
life.
in the tank. So I can
I
save
just
them
hope this
for
is
the
the
sellers.
last
so we can save them and that. We
She
can
needs
get
separating
so we need
Moved in with a
bulbs
friend
and
of
stuff.
Paul's.
Go on to the next phase.
Well, once you've got the whole tank full of them, that's when you can just dip and sell some, can't you, on the skin?
Huh?
Stop making excuses for her.
The one who wants good viewing is.
I know what she's like from the very start, but this time
I might even let her only have one female and get a breeding tub so he can keep filtering them.
That will happen.
His own ones grow up, won't they?
I'm so sorry.
I'm brought it on myself. I've always tried to steer clear of love.
Need to get a bit of cucumber soon again.
You get hurt.
Sweet corn as well, Carl, stuff like that they eat.
Hey.
Fish, well, Daniel had it in his thing and no one said nothing about it. Just something about a bit of sweet corn as well. Love the colours of that, I'm definitely going to get some more of them. I wonder what that is, male or female. That looks like a male with its long thing, isn't it?
Yeah, I wouldn't said it was a male at the beginning.
It's a female then.
Music.
Come on to the edge, they took away
the
there.
dance floor tonight when we head back to Benidorm. More hilarity there at 9. Next, Anne's got news for Sam. Coronation Street's after the break.
We get a couple of photos of it like that instead as well. Just the